Today we'll talk about how can you disable last price line on your web app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down. So you click here on money down here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on chat settings, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on line access, just click on it. You come to next step here. You will find here last price line. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean last price line disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.